Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. The action camera market is reaching new heights in 2025, transforming into an intense battlefield as two game-changing devices prepare to launch. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 and the Insta360 X5. Both cameras have been crafted with cutting-edge technology and innovative features designed to set new standards in their respective niches. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, vlogger, or casual content creator, these cameras promise to offer exciting possibilities. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 builds on the success of its predecessor, the Osmo Pocket 3, offering a refined design and enhanced functionality. Measuring approximately 140mm x 43mm x 35mm and weighing around 190 grams, this device remains compact yet highly ergonomic. Its standout feature is the 2.5-inch rotating OLED touchscreen with a resolution of 480 by 800 and brightness levels reaching 800 nits, ensuring clarity even in bright outdoor conditions. This touchscreen significantly improves usability, allowing for smoother navigation and composition. Meanwhile, the Insta360 X5 retains its signature elongated design, optimized for 360-degree photography and videography. This design not only enhances portability, but also ensures easy handling. While the exact dimensions of the X5 haven't been disclosed, rumors suggest it will feature ergonomic refinements to cater to both amateur and professional creators. Its key feature, a 1-inch sensor, is a leap forward in imaging capabilities, offering superior sharpness, dynamic range, and low-light performance. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 takes imaging to a new level with its 1-inch CMOS sensor. Capable of capturing 12-megapixel stills with vibrant colors and enhanced dynamic range, this camera ensures stunning visuals in various lighting conditions. Its lens, with an aperture of f/2.0, delivers exceptional clarity and sharpness. When it comes to video, the Pocket 4 impresses with its ability to shoot 4K footage at 240 frames per second, opening up creative possibilities for ultra-smooth slow-motion videos. Additionally, 10-bit color modes, such as D-Log-M and HDR, add flexibility for professional-grade post-production. On the other hand, the Insta360 X5 redefines 360-degree content creation. Its rumored 1-inch sensor promises 72-megapixel 360-degree photos and single-lens shots exceeding 18 megapixels, ensuring unparalleled image quality. The camera is expected to support high-resolution video with advanced color grading options, making it a strong contender for immersive content creation. Insta360's AI-driven editing tools and intuitive post-processing features further elevate the user experience, enabling creators to transform raw footage into polished masterpieces effortlessly. Stabilization plays a critical role in action cameras, and both devices deliver on this front. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 features a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, ensuring shake-free footage even during dynamic activities like biking, running, or adventure sports. Additionally, the upgraded ActiveTrack 7.0 technology includes advanced phase detection and eye tracking capabilities, allowing the camera to follow fast-moving subjects with precision. The Insta360 X5, while lacking a mechanical gimbal, relies on Insta360's renowned flow-state stabilization technology. Paired with AI-powered enhancements, the X5 promises buttery-smooth footage in all scenarios, from handheld shooting to extreme sports. This combination ensures professional-quality stabilization without the need for external accessories. Audio quality can make or break a video, and both cameras aim to excel in this area. The Osmo Pocket 4 boasts a 3-microphone array with advanced wind noise reduction and stereo sound recording. For added versatility, it supports external microphones and DJI's wireless audio systems, making it an excellent choice for vloggers, interviewers, and content creators focused on high-quality sound. Meanwhile, the Insta360 X5 introduces AI-powered noise reduction algorithms, a groundbreaking feature for action and 360-degree cameras. By effectively eliminating background noise, the X5 delivers cleaner, more professional-grade audio, enhancing the overall quality of immersive content. Battery performance is crucial for creators on the go, and both cameras deliver significant improvements. The Osmo Pocket 4 offers up to 200 minutes of 4K recording on a single charge, a notable upgrade from its predecessor. With DJI's PD fast charging technology, The device can recharge in just 25 minutes, ensuring minimal downtime during shoots. The Insta360 X5, on the other hand, focuses on efficiency with enhanced heat dissipation technology. This ensures longer recording sessions without overheating, making it a reliable companion for extended projects. Pricing is a key factor for many buyers. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to launch at $699 for the standard edition and $799 for the creator combo. Its premium features justify the higher price tag, catering to professionals seeking top-tier performance. In contrast, the Insta360 X5 is anticipated to adopt a more competitive pricing strategy, with estimates ranging from $450 to $500. This makes it an attractive option for those looking to explore high-quality, 360-degree content creation without stretching their budget. Both cameras are expected to hit the market in late 2025, just in time to capture the holiday season frenzy. Choosing between the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 and the Insta360 X5 ultimately depends on your creative goals. The Osmo Pocket 4 is a compact powerhouse ideal for traditional videography and vlogging. With its advanced stabilization, high frame rates, and ergonomic design, it's perfect for creators focused on cinematic storytelling. The Insta360 X5 shines as a leader in immersive 360-degree content creation. Its competitive pricing, innovative features, and AI-powered enhancements make it a standout choice for pushing the boundaries of creativity.